We'll keep moving. We'll keep moving. Oh, I see the 100 and so I'm doing this live just to boost my watch hours. Yes, I'm not going to give up. No, 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 no. I'll never go back anymore. No, 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 no. I'll never go back anymore. I'll never go back again. I pray. I pray to God to help me and strengthen me the more to make videos, to upload, to edit videos. That one another wahala, but will not go back. Okay. Daniel, you say you don't really know how this live video works. Okay. We are doing it so that it will increase your visibility and you will gain more subscribers and watch hours. So that is it. And in this life, there's no room for editing. Say I want to go and edit my life. The way that we make videos and edit it, don't edit life. So you just do it and it's up there. Okay, so that is how it works. Wow, mama, keep moving, no going back, no stopping, keep moving. More grace to you. 460. More grace, mama. You get there, hopefully. Don't worry if you drop down copy video, because I've not been seeing your videos though. Don't really know, but I'll go and check out again because I know that I subscribe to your channel. Once you drop down Kobe video, I'll share it. Me? You said you don't notice when I'm making another live video. No, I'm not making another live video. I'm not making another live video. Okay, I'm using the other phone to check out on this. Okay, she's the one that introduced me to this night. She's the one that this person you are seeing now. She's the one that introduced me to this night. So she's on live now. She's live. So I'm just watching the video and so I'm not doing any other live. Okay, ma. You said that I should try and be making interesting vlog. Okay, that's what I want to be doing. How to do this, how to do that. Yes, yeah. I think I will do more of that. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for coming to my live. Thank you. Okay, yeah, is there that comes that dragged me into this night. She's the one that dragged me into this night. I'm so happy that I did it. She's so supportive. I don't know how I'll be able to edit this Okay, I should not make my videos to be long. Okay. Like Like how many minutes is okay? 10 minutes, 8 minutes.